Do what? Do what?
I dig a hole in here. Look for treasures right here.
You're going to dig a hole there?
Yeah, it's a treasure on here.
There's a treasure under there.
Yeah, he's getting up here. I dig a hole.
You dig deep enough, you'll find a treasure. You got to dig a couple miles down, though. But don't be digging holes in my driveway. Why you want to dig a hole in the driveway where the cars go?
But I need to dig a hole right here.
Right where? Right where?
Right here.
How big a hole?
Oh,
Oh, you want to use your four-wheeler? You're going to wear out your tires. Yeah, look what you're doing to your tires. Yeah, man, you're going to mess up your tires trying to dig a hole in this. And then your car won't work no more because it won't have no tires. They'll be wore off. What, you think you're going to be able to hit the gas and dig a hole? Oh, I see, little genius. Yeah, look what it's going to do to your tire. It's going to eat up your tire, man. It's going to eat your tires up. You're going to eat the tires off of it. Yeah, now what you going to do? Crash the car? And see how hard that is? You got to watch Tank. He'll run you over. How many times has Tank run you over already? 3 times? I believe it. So what's this about? Just get your hands dirty? Is this like putting talc on your hands for a gymnast? You put dirt on your hands for mudding? Put some dust on your hands for dusty road driving? You stay out of there now. That's a garden. You don't get in the garden. I have to whoop your butt.